What is up, nation? So if you've heard about it, we're switching to home workouts. So this will be for Wednesday. What Metcon is, dive just right into it. It's gonna be 5 sets. You're gonna want to complete 1 set though, so just think about going down the list for that 1 set every 5 minutes, right? So just like that, whatever I get done within that 5 minutes, I get time to rest. So for this workout purpose, we want to be able to finish within that 2-minute mark, leaving us about 3 minutes to rest. So with that, you got 10 odd object squats. So find something super heavy around your house, that whatever you can hold. I would say either you can carry it, hold it, as long as you're able to squat with it for 10 reps, you're fine. And then from there, 15 squat jumps, get nice and low on that squat jump. And then from there, dubs. If you don't have a rope, you can do jumping jacks, just 20 total. Curb hops, still 20 total. We wanted to keep it nice and fast. And then if you do have a rope but don't have dubs, just your regular old singles. If you want to go on singles, you can double up that 2 to 1. It's totally up to you. And then from here, what's going to play the factors, since we're focusing on our lower half of the body today, right, for that muscular endurance, you want to have a 40-second sprint and run, or if you do have your 200 meter marked out, back then, just run your 200 meters sprint all out. Warm up though, it's going to be a 9-minute EMOM. On minute 1, you're going to have your Cossack squat plus lunge with reach. So what that's going to look like, feet are going to be out wide on Cossack squat. Stay nice and low, boom, and then switch on over, lunge, and then just reach, right? Switch on over, lunge down, reach up, boom. We'll just go through that 1 minute, nice good flow. And then on minute 2, you'll have your down dog. So I'll be here into that plank position, shoot my hips back, and then once I come forward, boom, that Spider-Man, back, plank, down dog, here, oh yeah, Spider-Man, back to that position. Just continue that for 1 minute, and then from there, a 30-second jog, or if you do have 100 meters marked out, just a 30-second 100 meters within that 1 minute. And then after that, you'll have 3 sets. It'll be 30 seconds of just a regular elbow plank into 8 bootstraps, 8 bottom burpees, and then 30 mountain climbers, right? So those bootstraps, I'm here. You don't have to go all the way up. I'm just gonna grab onto my toes, shoot my hips up. Just wanna get that stretch in our hamstring. If not, into our ankles, just back down. After that, your bottom burpees, right? I'm in that plank position. Think about my feet coming out to my hands. Boom. 8 times. Good old mountain climbers, just 30 total. And yeah, that's pretty much it.